can walk past your relationship and miss the same cheat and you in it and you can't say I say you're in love? And the same work you work where we did that 2 months ago. Where you usually call and text every single minute. Now all of a sudden you're busy. You have to be a manager. What's up guys, what's popping, what's up, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm gonna give you a type of video what I think say most of the females need, you know what I'm saying? So you can know if on a boo a cheat on uno, if on a husband a cheat on uno, if on a ex-boyfriend did cheat on uno, or if your side dude a cheat on you. So if you don't want to see the video guys, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, follow me on my Instagram at I am Shawna with 2 S links gonna be in the description and also on the screen guys. Smash the subscribe button. Like I said before, we're on the road to 20,000 subscribers guys. Just smash it, okay? Share my video. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend, click the subscribe button. So let's just jump straight into the video. So I'm gonna give you some tips, females, because baby girl, I have to put on a pan girl. I can't just make on dead so sit down think on a wife when on a not. Like, who does that? Okay, who does that? I don't need to stop them some of that. So I'm gonna give you 7 signs of when a man a cheat on them. So sign number 1. And get up out of the bed for go out the door for answer the phone. If you got your boo or your husband or your side dude on in the bed together and them phone ring and them get up from side of you. Remember I told you alone in the house now. And get up from side of you for go outside door to answer the phone. What that mean? That's a pick up for him. And I'm friend a call. That mean I'm woman a call. Him have a side woman on the side where I call him phone and no one answer in front of you. If you feel away or if she feel away. So him get up out the door go answer on the phone like why you need to get up go out the door with me and you in here? You a husband, me a proud wife. And you need to go out the door go answer the phone. You cheat on a girl, you need to stop it. You need to stop it guys. I know say most of what I say are true. So no comment down below and tell me if I lie. So I'm just going to run through the video real quick. Next topic. Next point. He never ever post upon him social media. You and this guy a date for 1 day and him can't post. A joke. You and this guy a date for 1 month and him never ever post upon him social media. 2 months you not get no post. 3 months or 1 year you not get no post. When I say social media, I don't talk WhatsApp, because you know you can private people for see your status for WhatsApp. I talk like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of them something. But I'm not going to post it because he don't want him other girls them see. You know, him basically hide you. Him don't want you to be known. If you ever do that, him not post up on him social media guys, he might cheat by you. He might cheat by you. And he can talk, you know. I'm free for talk because you know at this point I'm single. Free single and disengaged. But I choose something get me know something no say I choose me attack. If him not post up on him social media, he's cheating on you. Next point is him always busy. Oh, all of a sudden you left from calling every day, texting every day, come look for your girl too. Oh, you know say I'm busy or work catch up with me or this and that like. And the same work you work where we did that 2 months ago. Where you usually call and text every single minute. Now all of a sudden you're busy. You have to be a manager. You're a supervisor. You're a boss. Or all of a sudden you're busy. Him never too busy. If him too busy with somebody else. I choose something. I see out of my 2 eyes. That's why I tell you. I hear a man I see. A joke. I'm gonna break up with you. A joke. No, but for real though, guys. How you feel leave from texting me every day, calling me every day, to always being busy? That no cut it. That really no cut it. You tell lie and you cheat on your girlfriend. You need to stop it. You need to stop it. The next one is intuition. If your intuition tell you say it might cheat on you. Woman intuition never lie. Obviously you have some reason as to why you feel like it might cheat on you. Is it him start act different, or him start do certain things him never usually do, or him start talk to you a certain way. Even the tone of voice him use on you can tell you say yo, it might cheat. You understand what I try to say? Even the tone of voice. Once him start change, you know him usually talk to you like soft, or when I say soft, I mean like, oh baby, you're alright. You know what I mean? Like him regular voice, and then all of a sudden you start get this high pitch and this and that. He might cheat by you. Somebody else out there, I get the soft voice where you usually get guys. So they need to think quick and stop make them guys turn on up in a idiots. Look now, I'm gonna single, you know, be single. Don't make nobody take on a fool. Be single. Don't accept less than where you fit. Less than what you deserve. Do not accept less than what you deserve. Okay? The next tip, him phone always depend silent. Him phone never ever ring when him there around him. If him asleep, him phone underneath him pillow. Where your phone if underneath the pillow and me live? Yeah man. You have the side table there, so you have the big bed there, so why the phone underneath the pillow? Why every time you run it, your phone never ring, no text never come in? Because him put him phone on silent. Him don't want you hear when him side piece and blow up him phone. Guys, you have to look. You have to look. Wait till him asleep, you push your hand. Underneath the pillow, take out the phone and search it. You have to be smart, guys. That is a sign of he's cheating on you. That is a sign. Another thing with the same phone, guys, if you say, yo, if your phone battery dead or whatever, and you just beg him a call or a text off a film phone and him hesitant to give him a if I'm boat. Or if you take up him phone, I say, yo, where I take up my phone for? You know, anything at all what you do with him phone, once you touch it or you ask for it and him hesitant and or him take away from you when you have it, he might cheat by you. Him know why you see the amount of call him when girl give him or the amount of text them. He might cheat by you. He might cheat by you. Like, next topic is always I bring up him ex. Yeah, and him in an argument. Oh, my ex never usually do this, or my ex this, or my ex that. Him still a see him ex. Why compare your ex to your present? She's an ex for a reason. Ex for a reason. When me and you again, I need to keep on and bring up your ex in a this for. Are your ex me argue with? I'm a face a scratch me because me and get hot. Once him keep on and bring up him ex, he might cheat by him. I just fly through this guy because I just give you some tips so they can go use it for check on a relationship. I'm not going to thank me after the video, you know. I'm not going to thank me after the video. Next one is him lack consistency. Him lack consistency. Him usually check on you, him usually like bring you out, or you know, any little thing one usually do and him just stop do it all of a sudden, he might do it with somebody else. He might do it with somebody else. But you inside of you now, so somebody else I get all of the little attention they what him usually give you. And him lack consistency, guys, him cheating on you. You have to just use your brain. I don't know if you tell them this, you must do them something here. You must do them something here, girl. You can't in the relationship and things are change and you don't know why things are change. Things are change because he's cheating. Things are change because he might get somebody else in time. Baby girl, like, you need to get up and get out. Don't make him take it for fool. Don't make him take it off for fool. Guys, I'm on the side too, you know, I'm on the side. So if you want me to do 5 signs of female cheating, I don't know. I got you know. I got you up, okay? So, anyways, as I said, lacking consistency, guys. He not really check on you no more. He not really carry you out no more. Like, nothing at all. If you call him on the phone, he might say, alright, now, I have to go now, I'm busy, I do something. He might do something. I can't talk to you no more. So, you just have to just look out on the eye and just be on top on the game. You can't make them boys taking off a fool. No, it's 2020, baby. Yeah, y'all gotta do better. Y'all gotta do better. So, yeah, guys. Next thing, guys. Next tip. Whether as on catching an argument, he must say, oh, you know, you can go on if you want. If you have other man, you can go on. Him always I say you can go on. That simple mean him have somebody else where him can go on too. That's why I keep on I say, yo, you can go on. He don't really care about you. He don't really care about you. If you have a man and every minute, oh, I'm a sister, call me sister, this my sister that. Nigga, you ain't got no sister. I am girlfriend. Them man, everybody's them sis or them bro. If you lie down in your bed, say them man and them phone ring after 12, after 1. Where your brother and sister call you so late for them not have no bed for sleeping or nothing. Lie my tell. Is them girlfriend. He might cheat on you. He's cheating on you. And don't make them guys take you for fool. Don't make them guys take you for fool, guys. And after you look out on the head. You really have to think on top on the head, guys. Them something you easy sign, guys. Everybody see them something you. You cannot walk past your relationship and miss say my cheat. And you in it and you can't see. I say you're in love. That's a love sweet. Come on, you don't have to boss up and look. You don't have to think. You don't have to think. Okay? You don't really have to think, guys. So yeah, guys. That is just a little short run through of 7 signs say my cheat for you guys. If you know, enjoy the video, smash the subscribe button. Like I said before. And keep on looking out on the eye and stop me them guys taking off the food. You're not going to thank me. They're telling us, say, you're not going to thank me. And the door second for less than what they deserve, okay? So share this video. The first person comment down below. Them favorite part of the video. Not comment say first. The first person comment them favorite part of the video are the best tip when me giving out the video, guys, and I get a post notification shout out in my next video, which also on a post wanna comment if you understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna start do that, guys. I'm gonna start getting some post notification shout out showing on a post, guys. So thank you for supporting me. Thank you for following me on my Instagram, and peace.